Benefits of apple cider vinegar. 1. To lower blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar is claimed to help people with diabetes manage their blood sugar levels. Some studies have shown that consuming vinegar after a high-carb meal can improve insulin sensitivity by as much as 34% and reduce blood sugar levels significantly. 2. Weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is sometimes recommended as a weight loss aid. This is because it may help you feel full. Some short-term studies have shown that consuming apple cider vinegar may help you eat fewer calories, lose weight, and reduce belly fat if that's your goal. 3. To preserve food. Just like other types of vinegar, apple cider vinegar is an effective preservative. People have used vinegar as a pickling agent to preserve foods for thousands of years. 4. To make an all-purpose cleaner. Apple cider vinegar is often a popular choice for a natural alternative to commercial cleaning agents. This is because of its antibacterial properties. 5. As a facial toner. Anecdotally, apple cider vinegar is claimed to help remedy skin conditions and provide graceful aging support. 6. To trap fruit flies. Fruit flies can be pests, and it's really easy to use apple cider vinegar to make a cheap fruit fly trap. Simply pour some apple cider vinegar into a cup, add a few drops of dish soap, and you're good to go. 7. To boil better eggs. Adding vinegar to the water you use to boil or poach eggs can help you produce consistently good eggs. This is because the protein in egg whites firms up more quickly when exposed to a more acidic liquid. 8. To wash fruits and vegetables. Pesticide residue on fruits and vegetables can be a concern for many people. That's why some people like to wash their fruits and vegetables in apple cider vinegar. Washing foods in vinegar has been shown to remove dangerous bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. 9. To clean dentures. You can also use apple cider vinegar to clean dentures. Although there's no consensus on the best method to clean them, it's thought that the residues left by apple cider vinegar could be less harmful to the skin in your mouth than other cleaning agents. 10. As a hair rinse. An apple cider vinegar hair rinse is said to remove product buildup, detangle, and add shine to your hair. 11. As a dandruff treatment. Massaging diluted apple cider vinegar into your scalp may help get rid of dandruff. The acid in the vinegar could help stop the growth of the fungus Malassezia, which may contribute to dandruff. 12. As a cooking ingredient. You can use apple cider vinegar in all sorts of recipes, including salad dressings, soups, sauces, hot drinks, and more. Another way to use apple cider vinegar when cooking is to make a marinade. Apple cider vinegar is a popular flavor and texture enhancer in baking, especially when making vegan treats that can't include eggs. It can also add extra flavor to homemade candy and caramels. 13. As a weed killer. Another great use for apple cider vinegar is as a homemade weed killer. Spray undiluted vinegar on unwanted weeds in your garden to get rid of them. You can also try mixing it with soap and lemon juice to see if that makes it more effective. 14. To treat acne. Dabbing small amounts of diluted apple cider vinegar onto pimples is anecdotally claimed to be a good way to get rid of them. 15. To get rid of warts. As with acne, apple cider vinegar is claimed to be a natural agent for getting rid of warts. It's likely effective for removing warts from the skin, due to its acidic nature. 16. As a dish detergent. Rinsing your dishes in apple cider vinegar could help kill off any unwanted bacteria and keep them clean. 17. To get rid of fleas. Apple cider vinegar may help prevent your pet from getting fleas. It's thought that spraying a mixture of 1 part water and 1 part apple cider vinegar onto your pet will create an environment that fleas won't want to hang around in. Important note: make sure you employ proper techniques while you use apple cider vinegar as it is acidic. If not used properly, it will be harmful to your health. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to watch more content every day.